Hey guys, so today I'm in the wild. I'm going to show you how to make a salad from nothing but the wilds. Let's get into it. What? In the wildness. First, go look for some greens in the wildness. Oh, look what we have here. It's a branch. Yes, these branches has a lot of leaves. Leaves can easily be taken out for salads. But also, if you have no interest for eating leaves, you could donate them to. You can donate these leaves to bald branches. They don't have any leaves. It's a charitable cause. And to do that, you should go to baldbranch.com. Got it strong. Okay, got a base. Now I'm gonna look at some flavorings. Let's go. I'm here in the wild grass, and there's some flavorings right there. Like these. Nature is rough. Look at these. Wait. Look at these. Nature seasoning. I'm gonna grab a few of those. Okay, let's get back. See our progress so far. Okay, we're out here in the wilderness, and we got these leaves. We need to peel them off of the sticks. I mean, you don't want to be buying salad and have a teeth, cracking your leaves on teeth. We need to peel these off. It'll take some work, so we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back in nature. Got the salad right here, all prepared. Now, we got the seasoning, but we need to add it later. Now, we need to roll these down. First, we gotta shred them. I was yelling. First, we need to roll these down, make them flat. We need to find a rolling pin. I think that'll be kind of easy. Someone over there, but there's a predator guardian, so we're gonna have to be careful. All right, guys, we're here. Be careful. Yeah, bad nature, and oh wait, there's a predator guarding a rolling pin. Be careful, try not to wake it up. Okay. Always bring weapon for protection. I got a stick. Okay, solid. Vines. Okay, be careful. Ooh, a better stick. Okay. You know what? Oh, check them. Got a rolling pin. I gotta go. Welcome back to this nature thing. Got the shredded salad. It was shredded. Now we're gonna use your rolling pin to roll it out. Okay. Be careful. I think this is how you do it, right? Okay. It's just. Okay. That looks fine enough. Okay. Let's get to the seasoning. Here. Here. Let me get a bit here. Perfect. Let's rip it a little bit up. Put it there. There we go. Rip it a little more. There we go. Now, we need some extra color to this. Luckily, I know where to get some. Okay. Okay, good stuff. First, some dandelions for flavoring. Some yellow stuff from dandelions. Okay. Okay. This, put it around there. Of these white flowers. Not too much, okay? Highly radioactive. I think. Go. Now we need to take this part. Okay. Squeeze in a little bit of the juice. It's in it. Here we go. Fill up. get a little tenderizing. You can never forget the tenderizing. Okay. Bam. Nature salad. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? So scrumptious. I mean, you can really eat it, can't you? I'll prove it. First, get your fork. Okay. Okay. Got some. Sorry, that was under. Okay. First, gotta get the fork. Don't want the hands dirty. Don't want to place my hands in this any of my hands. That's gross. Okay. Bob. Enjoy.